Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Pandey. Welcome you all to my channel Dream Shiksha. Students, in previous session we have completed task sheet 3, that is classification. So in today's session we are going to start with task sheet 4, that is ranking, and we are also going to discuss about task sheet 5, that is sequence. So students, let's get ready with your notebook and pen. We are going to start our session with task sheet 4, that is ranking. Now, a first question, a group photograph shows some people standing in a row. There are two people to the left of Ramik and he is fourth from his right. How many people are standing in the row in photograph? So we have to find out how many people are there in photograph. Okay, so a group photograph shows some people standing in a row. So there are some people who are standing in a row in a group photograph. There are two people to the left of Ramik. Suppose Ramik is here, R for Ramik. So there are two peoples to the left of Ramik. So left of Ramik means this side will be the left of Ramik and this side will be the right of Ramik. Okay, let me mention this one is the left one and this one is the right side of Ramik. So in questions there are two peoples to the left of Ramik. So two peoples are there to the left of Ramik. Okay, so two peoples are there to the left of Ramik. So these are the two peoples who are to the left of Ramik, and he is fourth from his right, and he is standing in fourth position from the right. So from right, 1, 2, 3 peoples there will be there from to the right of Ramik. Okay, how many peoples are standing in the row in photograph? So you will able to find. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people are there? 6. You can easily count. There are 6 people are there who are standing in a row in a photograph. Okay. I will explain you in Hindi too. See, रमेश के लेफ्ट में दो लोग हैं जैसे कि ये है रमीक है, इसके लेफ्ट में दो लोग हैं, ठीक है, एंड ही इज फोर्थ फ्रॉम हिज राइट, और ये अपने राइट से फोर्थ पोजीशन में है, मीन्स यहाँ कितने लोग होंगे? 3 लोग होंगे इसके आगे, ठीक है, राइट की तरफ। तो हाउ मेनी पीपल्स आर स्टैंडिंग इन द रो इन फोटोग्राफ? तो 3, 1 इज फोर्थ पोजीशन, तो 3, रमेश हो गया 4, 3 1 प्लस 4 प्लस 2, तो कितना हो गया टोटल? आप काउंट करोगे तो कितना हो गया? रमेश को मिलाकर 6, कितना हो गया? 6. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the question. Going with the question 4. Some men are standing in a line waiting for the cinema ticket window to open. There are 12 people ahead of Mr. Verma and 10 people behind him. So here Mr. Verma is here. Okay, 12 people are there ahead of Mr. Verma and 10 people behind him. 10 people behind him means 10 लोग उनके पीछे हैं. Okay, 2 people from those ahead of Mr. Verma and 2 people from those behind him leave the line. Now 2 people ahead of Mr. Verma and 2 people behind him has left the line. Now the diagram will be like, now here will be 2 people have left. Now here left with 10 minus 2 8 and here 12 minus 2 10. Now we have to tell the position of Mr. Verma from the start of line. So line is started from here, है ना? So because 10 people are ahead of Mr. Verma, so we know the people who are ahead, so line will be starting from this point. Okay, now 10 people are ahead of Mr. Verma and in 11th position there is Mr. Verma. So what will be his position? 10 plus 1, that is 11th position will be the position of Mr. Verma. Okay, from the start of line. Okay, so answer will be 11. So in this way you will solve a question. So now we will discuss. Now the question number 6. A chain has 47 links. The 13th link from one end is rusted. From the other end, 17th link is also rusted. How many links lie between these two rusted links? suppose there is a straight line, so 13th link from one end is rusted. Suppose from this end 13th link is rusted. Okay, now from the other end 17th link is also rusted. So from this end 17th link is also rusted. So total link कितनी है? 47 लिंक है. यहाँ से 47 लिंक क्या है आपकी? रस्टेड है. तो आपको अब निकालना है कि 17th लिंक जो यहाँ से रस्टेड है इस साइड से, उसकी पोजीशन क्या है. तो व्हाट यू विल डू, 47 माइनस 17, तो आपको ये क्या मिलेगी, कितनी, 30. देन यू हैव टू ऐड 1. आपको पोजीशन भी फाइंड आउट करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, +1 करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमको एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन भी पता होनी चाहिए. तो 47 माइनस 17 प्लस 1 कितना होगा, 31. तो 31st link from this end is rusted. Okay, how many links lie between these two rusted link? अब आपको बताना है कि how many links are there between these two rusted link. So now आपको बताना है कि इन दोनों के बीच कितनी लिंक होंगी, है ना, इन दो रस्टेड लिंक के बीच कितनी लिंक होंगी. तो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू कैन सिंपली माइनस 31 माइनस 13, what you will get 18. But in this concept you don't have to tell a position. 13th और 31th जैसे लास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट में हमें क्या था, पोजीशन बताना था, इसलिए हमारा आंसर क्या था, 31 था. ठीक है, बट इन दिस केस यू डोंट हैव टू टेल अ पोजीशन. तो आपको बताना है कि इन दोनों के बीच में कितनी लिंक है. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, -1. तो आपने -1 कर दिया तो आपको कितना मिलेगा, 17. कितना मिलेगा, 17. Let me write an answer with a blue pen, that is 17. तो आंसर क्या होना चाहिए यहाँ, इससे आपने जब किया तो क्या मिला आपको, 17. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन सॉल्व अ क्वेश्चन. सो सबसे फर्स्ट आपको देखना है, एक बार और एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ, टफ क्वेश्चन है. टोटल 47 लिंक थी. एक लिंक थी जो 13th नंबर की, वो रस्टेड हो गई एक एंड से. ओके, नाउ एक लिंक थी यहाँ से 17th नंबर की इस एंड से, वो भी रस्टेड हो गई. टू फाइंड द पोजीशन ऑफ दिस व्हाट यू विल डू, आप 47 में से -17 करेंगे, बट आपको एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन पता चलनी है. तो 47 माइनस 17 हो गया 30. 47 माइनस 17 हो गया कितना, 30. देन आपको पोजीशन भी पता करना है तो +1 करना पड़ेगा, इक्वल्स टू आपको मिलेगा 31. नाउ हाउ मेनी लिंक्स लाई बिटवीन दीज टू रस्टेड लिंक. तो मुझे इसकी रैंक पता चल गई है, ये 31st है इसकी रैंक, और ये है 13th रैंक. नाउ हमको इन दोनों के बीच कितनी लिंक है ये फाइंड आउट करना है. तो आप हैंड से भी काउंट आउट कर सकते हो, बट आप अगर बिना हैंड के काउंट करना चाहें तो क्या करोगे, 31 माइनस 13 करोगे, है ना. 31 माइनस 13 करेंगे तो हमको कितना मिलेगा, 18 मिलेगा. देन आपको इन दोनों के बीच की लिंक बतानी है ना, पोजीशन नहीं बतानी है. इन दोनों की पोजीशन को काउंट नहीं करना है ना, हमको इन दोनों के बीच की लिंक बतानी है. तो आप 31 माइनस 13 की आपको 18 मिला, बट आपको पोजीशन काउंट नहीं करनी है, इनके बीच की लिंक बतानी है. तो आप क्या करोगे, -1 कर दोगे तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, 17. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से आप क्वेश्चंस को कर सकते हो. ठीक, चलते हैं नेक्स्ट. नाउ सीक्वेंस, टास्क शीट 5. Observe the following sequence and answer the following question that follows. Now आपको there is a series, so you have to find a sequence here. How many times do 3z occurs together? So you have to find out how many times 3z's occur together. The concept will be like this. 3z occurs together means they are well together, stay together. Okay, now you will search it from here. You have to scan the whole series. So you will find here 3z, one figure, and then this one again you will find, and so only 2 times. So what will be your answer, 2. So first answer is 2. So in this way you can easily find out. Now how many times do 3y occurs together? Now you have find out z, now you have to find out y. How many times do 3y occurs together? Now scan the whole series. here it is 1 and so the answer will be only 1. So second answer is only 1. Okay, in this way you can find out. Now next, how many times do y followed by only 2z? Now you have to find key how many times y followed by 2z. The concept will be like followed by 2z can be written as this. In this way you can show y followed by 2z. Okay. So this type of series or category you have to find in the series or scan in the series. So first one I am getting here only first. Okay, then again 2, then again 3, then again 4 and okay. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So third answer is 4. So in this way you have to solve. You have to understand the concept well. Okay. Now how many times is a y not followed by a z? So now you have to find how many times the y not followed by a z. So ultimately you have to find y not followed by z means what will be there? There are only two letters in the C, that is Z and Y. So not followed by Z means last letter will be Y. Then it will be followed by Y. So search here, 2y is here now. And here. Okay. So only option is 2. What is the option? 2. Not following by Z means it will be followed by Y only. Okay. So there are two figures. So answer will be 2. So fourth option answer is 2. Okay. Now next. I will write here fourth option answer is 2. Now how many times? 2. Now fourth. How many times is a Z followed by only one Y? How many times Z followed by only one Y? So there will be only one Y after Z. Now you have to find this one in the series. Now again start scanning. After Z there is Y. So followed by means Y will come after Z. How many times is a Z followed by only one Y means there will be only one Y after Z. Okay. Now ZY 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So answer is fifth one. Answer is 7. What is the answer? 7. In this way you will find out the answers. Okay. So in this way you have to do the sequence. Rest is 2 hour homework for you. So you have to solve it. So guys, that's all for today. You have to complete task sheet 4 and task sheet 5 in your notebook. So if you find any doubt or you have to ask any queries or doubts, you can simply comment me on my comment box. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.